So twist and pull?
Twist and push. You'll feel it'll want to go down. Because I can feel there's another bit of floor there.
Yeah, I hope so. Do you want me to go straight or? So handbrake?
Yeah.
Just pull?
Yeah.
What?
There you go.
Oh, wow. That is a handbrake. Look at that. That's cool.
Is the handbrake on?
Yeah.
It's still rolling forwards.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, how's that?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. Hey guys, so we finally got the parts that we needed it. So let's see. So we can start SC project. This is lower A pillar. We got 2. And this is a sill. And I think first things first, and this is David. He's gonna guide us what to do. But I think first things first, we want to take the doors off.
Yep. Doors
Correct?
come off.
Yep. And then we're just going to have a proper look.
Good look.
Yeah. And we were talking about the K-frame. I'm not sure whether we have to take the K-frame out or possibly just cut it.
Yeah.
And so that way you don't have to take whole things out and we just weld it back.
Yes, well, we've got new ones that we can weld back in.
Oh, that's right. Oh, that's it.
And they may be rusty too, so we've got to cut them off anyway. So
Oh, wait, yeah. We got to replace some of
So
that makes sense.
that
yeah,
will
yeah.
get us away from having to pull the K-frame out.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so that's our plan. Also, we're working on the BH dash. This is all 3D printing. So if you guys are interested, let us know. Well, we'll let you guys know once it's finished anyway. What did you say?
I don't think there'll be any metric.
Metric.
It'll all
Oh,
be,
because it's all like.
yeah. This was pounds and shillings
Oh no,
time.
I don't know about pounds at all. I should learn, shouldn't I?
Nah,
Nah.
nah. Let's see. Yeah, look at that.
Quickly. So we're taking these screws off. First, these 1, 2, 3. Luckily, it just went reasonably quick. It wasn't like super tight or anything.
Nah.
No?
Nope. I'm gonna have to hugger-dugger it or something.
Oh,
See, there's the one missing.
yeah. Yeah, we're having difficulty. We're having a difficult time to remove this one bolt. We'll be back. We got it. All right, let me hold it.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. 3, 2, 1. Heavy. It's not too bad actually.
Yeah, it's not crazy. It is just a door after all.
It just took a little time than we we thought.
This little pin was just hanging on to the hole.
Oh,
So it kept catching on.
That.
Kept catching on here. Kept catching on that bottom lip. So we just had to
Right.
lift it up and out.
okay. But that's good. It's done. Yeah, there's a wasp nest inside as well.
Yeah.
All good fun.
There we go. We'll probably just leave that. We'll stick that up.
Yeah. Oh, put it in.
You can see. I can't. Oh, through there. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Just touch them. What are we looking at?
So this is our new piece, which you've probably seen. And it's gonna. So we know.
It fits.
So we've got to get this sill off.
Yep.
And then start looking at this, unpicking all, like they're, I imagine, spot welded
Okay.
there. You know, we can decide when we get it. We might decide to go here.
Yeah. How much
And then
do we
trim.
wanna use?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's interesting though is this feature here doesn't have that in it, unless it's. Yeah, I'm not quite sure.
But
Anyway.
this is actually not the rare parts from. This is a guy that who actually making specific for these Holden FC parts, which is super cool. So I guess we're just gonna start a bit cleaning.
Yeah. This is fucking a lounge room.
No. What would you call? Tool? Yeah.
Oh yeah, good job.
I did as much as I could. So I think we're gonna swap the tools.
Yep. And eventually we're going to come down to this bit here too.
There too?
Yeah, eventually.
Okay, okay.
And maybe down, because I think that piece, where does that piece? Goes around the corner, doesn't it? So probably we'll do that later. We'll clean all this up.
Okay.
I'll mark that in a minute.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, looks good. What? What's happening?
Want to have a look?
Yeah.
This guy here,
Yeah.
that's been welded on, and they've used like silicon up there. See that? This has already been replaced
Okay.
at some stage. God
With the
knows.
silicon.
Well, yeah, they've welded. Actually, I bet you that's welded over the top of the old one. I bet you they haven't
Right.
pulled that out. I mean, if it's strong enough, it's okay. But
Yeah.
that's been. Look at that.
Yeah.
What I was going to show you.
Yeah.
They've put a 4-speed in, or I don't know if it's a 4-speed or 3-speed. So that's the old floor, and they just cut it. And I think if you look through here, I think they've just siliconed it in. I think it's siliconed in, which that's a lot of the reasonable structure of the floor, because that hump has got a bit of strength.
Yeah.
I'd love to see what's going on up there, like where it. I mean, all that's probably okay. It's been not here for 100 years, so it's not like it's going to fall apart. But bloody hell!
Yeah.
Oh my!
Oh. Oh.
What's in there? Another horse?
So yeah, I vacuumed a little bit and just took all the bits and pieces. Now I'm gonna cut that part. So someone
There's
put
a
that.
nail underneath. Yeah, just to
Top
hide
of
all the symbols.
All right. Interesting. Oh yeah, that's the other way around.
That's
Yeah.
okay. But yeah, it's the opposite side. I think that's that piece.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that's good.
yeah, which makes sense because that's all. That's rusted. Then all that's going to go to
Yeah.